Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can fix the DuckAI chat assistant on DuckDuckGo web browser not working issue. So let us dive into this, guys. So navigate to DuckDuckGo web browser on your desktop computer or laptop, and usually or normally you should see this plus with that speech bubble button next to the URL address, or you may navigate to it by pressing the shortcut Shift Enter on your keyboard to access DuckAI. That is going to redirect you to a new conversation with DuckAI here. However, guys, if you don't see this button, it may be due to your the DuckAI features in your DuckDuck browser settings. So navigate to your DuckDuckGo browser settings, by clicking to these three lines here, select settings here. And from there, navigate to the DuckDuckGo AI features on the left-hand side. And here, guys, what you want to do is make sure that these options here for DuckAI are enabled. So if you, for example, unselect them, let me do that for demonstration purposes, the speech bubble will disappear. So it may be due to that. So if you accidentally turn these features off, these shortcuts, simply re-enable them back again. That should fix it, guys. Please let us know in the comments down below if it did for you. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel. And also, guys, one more information: if it didn't fix it for you, updating the DuckDuckGo web browser may help fix this issue too. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.